Is China showing a bullish sign for crypto? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we keep you updated on the latest trends and news in the technology and crypto world. China has recently taken a significant step towards fostering innovation within the Web3 industry by unveiling a white paper. This surprising move is generating excitement and speculation in the crypto community worldwide. This official document, titled the Web3 Innovation and Development White Paper, 2023, highlights the essential role of Web3 technologies as the inevitable trend for future internet industry development. It discusses various key research areas in the Web3 sector, such as artificial intelligence, XR interactive terminals, and content production tools, and acknowledges the swift emergence of applications like digital populations and collections. Yang Hongfu, director of the Dongguanqian Chaoyang Park Management Committee, revealed that this park, which is often referred to as China's Silicon Valley, plans to allocate a minimum of 100 million yuan, or about $14 million, annually until 2025 to support this initiative. Given China's tumultuous relationship with cryptocurrencies, this move is stirring intrigue and curiosity. Binance CEO, Changpeng Zhao, took to Twitter to comment on the timing of the white paper, which coincides with the upcoming implementation of new crypto regulations in Hong Kong. In another notable development, China Central Television, CCTV, aired a segment that prominently featured the Bitcoin logo. This has sparked speculation about a shift in China's stance on cryptocurrencies, especially considering its previous bans on crypto mining and transactions. Currently, Bitcoin, the main cryptocurrency, is trading below $27,000, valued at $26,700. However, this recent development in China has the potential to cause considerable shifts in the crypto market, given China's influence in the tech world. We're keeping a close eye on these developments and will keep you informed about what this could mean for the future of cryptocurrencies. Please remember that the content we provide should not be considered investment advice. Investing is speculative and always involves risk. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting and memorializing my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time for more updates and insights from the tech world.